So today we're going to go over our robot here, what makes it special, and all the wiring that need to be done to get it to do what it does. So this is our collector. This is our intake system. These two move. Obviously the block goes in. We have a little, there's the front shot. We have a little arm that'll push it in to our delivery mechanism. Lift, and with this shot you see some of the challenges that our wiring team had to deal with. These two, this is how we got our wires all the way up top. We have a number of servos up top here that we have to get wires to, and this lift here is how we score our points. Okay, so here's our wiring thing here for our robot. I'm going to kind of do an overview and just kind of cover what we did, what our strategies were, what our main ideas were with dealing with all of this wiring. Just kind of how to avoid the rat's nest that we all fear. If you look in here, this is as good as it's going to get, honestly, unless you custom fit all your wires. We actually have a large Lexan sheet, a large Lexan piece that fits all the way across our side here to protect our hubs. Remember to protect these babies, because they're expensive. So with our lift, obviously we need these two big wiring channels, whatever you want to call them, and you'll notice these all along our wiring channels here. These are just little lanyard holders, retractors, whatever you want to call them. Here in the front you can see them best. They pull all of our wires into neat little coils here, keep them out of the way of our blocks. The pattern isn't beautiful, but as long as it's out of the way, it works. So that's one of our main difficulties that we had to overcome as a wiring team, was how the heck do we get wires like 3 feet up in the air and then retract them safely. So that's how we solved that. Nice tubing and some lanyard holders, and of course lots of zip ties and tape. Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. If you have any questions regarding wiring or just general robotic questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to answer it. And thanks.